Hi everyone, I am Gautam, I am physics faculty. Now I am going to explain a problem from NEET 2020. What you are observing, the problem here is from NEET 2020. Here this question is from the chapter Thermal Properties of Matter. Thermal Properties of Matter. In that what is the main topic here means we can say the topic is connected with calorimetry. So the topic is calorimetry and the subtopic here is specific heat. Specific heat. So now we are going to discuss the problem from NEET 2020 related to specific heat. Specific heat. Just go through this question clearly. Here what is the question given? The quantity of heat required. The quantity of heat required to rise the temperature of two solid copper spheres. They told that two solid copper spheres. If you observe carefully what we notice, two solid copper spheres. That means there are two spheres. Both are made up of same materials. What material it is? Copper material. Same copper material. So, if the two spheres are of same material, from this information, what should we have to understand means the two materials will have same specific heat. Specific heat, SC specific heat. SC specific heat will be same for the two materials because both are copper. Copper value for specific heat is fixed. And also density is also same. So here both the situations if you observe that is specific heat and density are same as they mentioned in the question. That is simply same copper material. Whenever they told material is same, specific heat is same, and one more thing is density is same. So these two things are constant. Fine. Let us keep aside. Specific heat is constant, density is constant because they mentioned simply in the question what they mentioned. Same material means you have to identify specific heat constant. Other one, density constant. So these two things we have to identify. Okay, fine. And what is the question here? Observe carefully the question. The quantity of heat required to rise the temperature. So the quantity of heat required to rise the temperature means what's the formula? Yes, Q is equal to ms delta theta. Now you can observe in the state of copper, solid copper only, temperature is changing. Same state. When should we use this formula? Q is nothing but here heat energy. M is mass of the body. That is a solid what we have taken. The solid copper sphere mass is, let me take it as M. And SC specific heat everybody knows about that one. And delta theta is temperature difference. And when should we take this formula? We have to take this formula whenever the body remains in same state and temperature changes. We have to select the formula Q is equal to ms delta theta. Generally, related to the specific heat, when we are observing Q is equal to ms delta theta is there. So from the question I understood that. What is the question here? They told through 1 Kelvin. Both the spheres, the temperature rise is same. Temperature rise is how much better here? 1 Kelvin. For both the spheres, same temperature rise. Same temperature rise means delta theta is constant. So let me write here, delta theta is constant. Same material, already I told specific heat is constant. So Q is proportional to M. So heat energy is directly proportional to mass. Mass of any body can be written as density into volume. Density into volume is what should I write? Density into volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So volume, why you wrote 4 by 3 pi r cube, sir? because in the question they told they are copper spheres. Sphere means for sphere volume. For sphere, the volume formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here already we told same material. Did you remember here? Same copper material, what I told, density is constant. So let me write here density constant. 4 anyhow constant, 3 constant, pi constant. From this information I understood mass is proportional to r cube. Mass is proportional to r cube. Just now by q equal to ms delta theta, you can observe here q equal to ms delta theta, same material, specific heat same, both the spheres same temperature difference, then heat energy is directly proportional to mass. Now mass equal density into volume, density into 4 by 3 pi r cube, 4 constant, 3 constant, pi constant, d constant, mass is proportional to r cube. So mass is proportional to r cube and heat energy is directly proportional to mass. Combining those two, what we can write here? Q is proportional to r cube. Q is proportional to r cube. So this is the formula I got. So finally I have got that Q is proportional to r cube. That is a Q1 by Q2 is equal to what should I write? R1 cube by R2 cube. That is they have given in the question, if you observe what is the relation between R1 and R2. Observe the question. R1 is 1.5 R2. R1 is 1.5 R2. Fine. R1 is 1.5 R2. So R1 is given as 1.5 R2. 1.5 R2. So 1.5 means, what do you mean by 1.5? 3 by 2. We can also write as 3 by 2. You know maths. R1 equal to 3 by 2 R2. So from here, what is R1 by R2? It is nothing but 3 by 2. So here Q1 by Q2 is equal to 3 by 2 whole square, whole cube, 3 by 2 whole cube, Q by 2, 3 by 2 whole cube. In the place of R1 by R2, I substituted simply 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 whole cube means 3 cube is nothing but 27 and 2 cube is nothing but 8. So the ratio of heat energies, is 27 by 8. You can observe clearly this question now. What is the question? The quantity of heat required to rise the temperature of two solid spheres. Both are solid copper spheres. Same material, specific heat, density same. Then R1, R2 are the radii. They are connected as R1 is 1.5 R2. Through 1 Kelvin are in the ratio. The temperature rise for the both is same. Delta theta is also same. So from that I have got this one, Q equal to ms delta theta same material, specific heat same, Q is proportional to m, Q is mass is nothing but density into volume. Volume of a sphere means 4 by 3 pi r cube. These all the things are constant. Mass is proportional to r cube. Heat energy is directly proportional to mass. Mass is proportional to r cube means from these two expressions I can write Q is proportional to r cube. Fine. Q is proportional to r cube. Then what should I write? We can write Q1 by Q2 equal to R1 cube by R2 cube. Given, this is the given information in the question. Given R1 is 1.5 R2. From here I wrote it as R1 is 3 by 2 R2. So R1 is 3 by 2 R2 means R1 by R2 is 3 by 2. Just here R1 by R2 cube is there. In the place of R1 by R2 I am putting it as 3 by 2 whole cube. So finally my answer is 27 by 8. So the ratio of heat energies is how much? 27 by 8. This is the answer for this problem which we got in NEET 2020. So I hope you are clear. This topic is calorimetry topic and concept specific heat and the chapter name thermal properties of matter. So these type of sums you have to concentrate. Thank you.